Alright everybody, welcome to another great edition of me talking about this 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 XL. So I didn't really do much to it, but I do have a little update here. I still got the glass in, so I did paint it to silver, and you can see the silver striping on the car there. That's all hand painted. Did that with the tester's pen. Tried to do the best I can around the windows, around the edges there. I think I did a pretty damn good job. So that's looking sharp. So I got the window in. The windows got some masking tape in there. Didn't quite fit the shape of the car. You see, it's still kind of bouncing around there. So I got a lot of super glue in there and masking tape. So we'll see what that looks like here in a little bit. So the main thing here is, so I spent 2 days doing the striping with the tester's pen. So after sanding down the hood and rewashing it and painting it again, I still got this, you guys called it the fisheye. But now it's coming up, before it was smooth, now it's coming up, you can feel the pits. So that's a big one right there. So what I ended up deciding to do was deciding to buy another kit. So as you can see, I now have two kits. Because I figured since I looked at eBay, I couldn't find any of the any hoods listed on eBay. Found a bunch of other parts to this car at eBay, but did not see a hood listed. So I was like, eh. But since this has got all the parts to make this a hot rod and whatnot, let's look at that side here, you know, with the big blower and whatnot coming through the hood and the open hood, the custom hood there. I figure, gives me a chance to do a little hot rod version of this car. So, no biggie. One thing I did find kind of interesting when I'm going through eBay, so it's got all these weird accessory parts here, with the jack stand, the brake rotor, the trophy, the television. That's a weird television. The bongos, for some reason. Little rat mascot, not sure why. Telephone. Record player cover case. And a fire extinguisher. It's a weird accessory kit. I found somebody selling these on eBay for 25 bucks. Thought that was kind of weird considering the model car is only about 25, 30 bucks anyways. So, yeah. But I did the trophy. Currently sitting in the back seat of the car, but it's not going to stay there, obviously. But so this is where I'm at with the car right now. This is a quick update. Just telling you where I'm at. Telling you I had to buy another kit. So one day you'll see a hot rodded version of this bad boy. And as you can see, my workbench is messy. We're going to get this cleaned up, and we're going to get back to work. All right, everybody. I'll talk to you later. Take care. Rock and roll. Peace, love, and all that good stuff.